Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, to clean your port, you just need to insert the one part into the charging port, one part of the toothbrush into your charging port, and brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!